did a quick inspection while we were under the boat. We didn't see anything out of the ordinary. We also exterminated a rather large nest of wasps, so you are going to see some of them just dragging, uh, flying around or drowning. But as far as the boat goes, we didn't see anything really out of the ordinary. So let's go ahead and check out the hull cleaning.